Hi guys, I'm Henry by name from CHN Phone Doctor. If you're new to my channel, I do phone reviews, unboxing and tips to help you get the best value for your money. If you're new to my channel, do well to like, share and also subscribe. Today we are diving into the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, a phone that looks good, performs great and that might even be your next favorite phone. Don't worry, I'm here to break down everything and unbox it for you to see how the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is and its features and what you have to stand when you get the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. The unboxing. Let's start with what you see when you unbox the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro itself neatly wraps a transparent case, though not the best quality you get, but at least it can serve you for the moment. Another thing again you see is USB Type-C cable. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro also comes with 33 watts or 45 watts charger depending on your region or where you are, the country that you are. A SIM card injector too that helps you bring out your SIM card whenever you want to change your SIM card or you want to put your SIM card inside the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Another thing again you're going to see is a quick start guide and a warranty papers that helps you know the features and the things about the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. I love the fact that Tecno includes a charger and a case in their Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Some brands have already stopped doing that far back ago, and this is my favorite thing about this Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Design and build. Now let's talk about the design of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This phone is slim, only 7.3mm thick and weighs just 179 grams. It feels light but strong in the hand. The finishing is sleek and it doesn't look cheap in your hand. It also got the IP68 and IP69 rating. So this phone is resistant to water and dust. If it falls into the water or gets caught in the rain, just know that you're very safe because Tecno has built it to be water resistant. And this is a big plus for those of us who love holding our phones in our hand. You won't get afraid of rain damaging your phone. Let's talk about the display of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Now check out this display, 6.78 inches AMOLED. Wow! With 144 Hz refresh rates. Wow! This phone is ultrally smooth. No matter anything you're doing, whether you're scrolling through Netflix, you're watching videos on YouTube, you're watching videos on Facebook or anything, just know that it's always smooth. Like smoothness is given and it's very fast. This phone also supports HDR, so the colors are vibrant and the black is very deep. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. This is also making it tougher for any form of scratch. Why do you think the phone display is giving? You are getting a screen that beats other phones, and that is not just it. It's also good for content lovers, those who want to create content with the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Let's talk about the performance of this Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This phone you're seeing here is running the new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chips. It has an efficient 4nm processor, which means better speed and battery life. You've got the 8 or 12GB RAM depending on the version of the phone. So when you're multitasking, it's very smooth. This phone you're seeing here can play Call of Duty for those of us who are Call of Duty lovers. And after testing this phone, it has no lag at all. And with Android 15 plus HIOS 15, the user interface is smooth, clean and customizable. Why do you think the performance of this phone is top notch? You will never feel this phone slowing down anytime soon. And that is not just it. Tecno also promised 3 years of Android updates in this phone. This is very solid for a very long time. Let's dive into the storage and memory. You get 256GB of storage in both versions, either the 8GB or the 12GB RAM. That is plenty room for photos, videos and your applications. But wait, before you go further, there is no SD card, so choose your version wisely. If you're a content creator and install lots of media, go for the 12GB RAM version. Why does this matter? Large internal storage means that you don't have to be deleting your files, your videos or your application every time. And UFS 2.S memory keeps the data loading very fast. The next is the camera, and I'm very excited to talk about the camera because I know that's what most of you has been waiting for, because most persons don't really bother about the specifications I've been talking about. What they are always bothered about is the camera, and I'm here to tell you a lot about this phone's camera and it will blow off your mind. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with a rear camera, 50 megapixels main sensor with OIS, great for low light and no shanky videos. Another is the 8 megapixel ultra wide, ideal for landscape shots or group photos. Next is the video. You can shoot at 40K to 30 or 60 FPS. and it supports HDR video. The front has 50 megapixel front camera with PDAF focus, which helps your face to stay sharp even when you move your face or your camera. It has the best color, the sharpness is top notch, and this is not an average phone. If you love selfies, short reels, you're into vlogging, then this is the best phone you need to go for. Next in line is the connectivity. Camon 40 Pro supports 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G network. So even if the 5G isn't available in your area, you can use other network. It works very smoothly and fast. Now when 5G becomes very popular or very common in Nigeria, you see that the network will be very fast. So it's good you get the Tecno Camon 40 Pro because of its future proofing. The 5G network makes downloading very fast and smooth. The battery, it has 5000 mAh battery, lasts easily a day with a heavy use. And with the included 33 watts or 45 watts charger, you can go from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Why do you think this is the best option? No one likes slow charging or carrying power bank everywhere you go. Wow, who does that? This gives you quick top notch all day. Who do you think is to buy the Tecno Camon 40 Pro? The first on the list is content creators who need sharp cameras and smooth video. The next is the students who want smooth performance for school and fun. And I have the gamers who want speed and battery life. Everyday users, of course, who are looking for value every day without spending more than 500,000. It's good for everyone who needs flashy features at a mid-range price. If you're still doubting if the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is worth buying, I'm here to tell you that the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is worth buying and it's worth your money. Go out there and get the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you next on my video.